I've just recently finished Natural Loctician Certificate with Divine Dreadlocks. I'm just going to talk a little bit about why I chose to do the course and what it's done for me. So I've had dreadlocks now for 9 months, woohoo! And I suppose after it's just a journey for me, and it has been absolutely awesome, and I loved everything about it and really wanted to get into it because it suits my lifestyle. So that's why I decided to do the course with Em, and also I was told that YouTube is the way to go. YouTube just couldn't teach me everything that I wanted to know or I needed to know to boost my confidence, to be able to go out there and create dreadlocks. So what I found with Em's course was it was really relaxed, and it was step by step all the time, and it was little things like listening for the hook work and the hair, and I could question her on absolutely everything and getting my position right of my hand and feeling comfortable, and things that YouTube just didn't teach me. So no to YouTube. Yeah, and 3 days was really enough for me to take it all in. I'd go home tired, of course, but really excited because to go home and start this new journey for me to create dreadlocks of my own with my own style as well. Em's just given me the basic foundation, I suppose, with all the knowledge and the experience she's had. It was a really super easy way to learn for me. So anyway, basically I know that I can go home tomorrow and feel really confident, and I'm really keen to get my first client and learn all about their life and their journey and what journey they're on, so they can be as happy as I am, because I love them. Dreadlocks are just awesome. They're a very unique individual thing. I just want to say thank you. Thank you to Em, and if anybody is going to study, I truly believe that it has to be a live course. Okay, thank you. Thanks, Em. Divine Dreadlocks. Loved it. Thank you.